Is there a time again when we have to pack as much as we can from home to last a year overseas? We will show you some of our favorite must-pack items. We've been packing with boxes as our second chicken luggage. It saves space and weight. After 2 decades of studying and working overseas, 95% of the suitcase is filled with food. Bulk items from Costco that are great for snacks and meal prep. Check out our favorites video. Items that help to combat colds. Always had trouble sleeping at least 2 weeks prior to leaving, but the night before is the most difficult. We always come across movies or TV of our recent family trip just before we leave. Reminisce wonderful memories together. Baby always breaks down at the airport. I shed tears when takeoff. Disney soundtracks and movies keep us company and give us the strength to carry on.